Now in Peterborough there's a different way of trying to balance the books. The council is using a power station to convert black bin waste into energy, and it works on several levels. By stopping 85,000 tonnes of rubbish from ending up in landfill, it saves around £1 million a year in landfill tax. But the energy it generates is also lucrative. It provides enough, on average, to power 16,000 homes and extra income for the council. But the whole scheme relies on people recycling properly, and at the moment that's not happening, as Mike Cartwright reports.
It's almost sci-fi, a huge mechanical grab. After household waste is tipped, it's clawed away. 400 tonnes a day, lifted, dropped, burnt, generating power for thousands of homes. A problem though, not all this waste has come to the right place.
Well, we can see straight away we've got plastic bottles, we've got tin cans, we've got plastic containers. We don't want any of this sort of paper card packaging. What we want is non-recyclable waste that can be then turned into a renewable energy source.
A waste company finding people confused about what can be recycled and what can't.
Once it's here, it's too late, yeah, and it's about getting the message across to people that we just want non-recyclable waste, and we want to make sure that it's safe waste as well. So we're not getting the gas canisters, we're not getting things that could cause explosions and things like that.
Around 15% of what comes here could be recycled. Harry Cox drives the crane.
This stick controls left, right, back and forwards. This stick is up, down, open and close. The waste has been put into the pit, or the bunker, which I'm now picking out, mixing up, putting into a pile to dry, and once that's had a sufficient time to dry out, I'll then feed it into the hopper.
Electricity generated is sold to the grid. Income for the council. And less going to landfill means less landfill tax. The target now, to reuse and recycle more than 65% of household waste.
As we've just seen, we still get plastic bottles. Sometimes I think there's some confusion over what types of plastic can go in the bin, but we've tried to make it really simple. All plastics, with your bleach bottles, all types of film, yoghurt pots, all the things that you may come across in your household every day. But it's also about communication. We need to constantly drip feed information to members of the public to make sure they are aware of what can be recycled, what goes in what bin.
Burning waste, making money, helping to balance the books. The challenge, though, is stopping recyclable rubbish ending up here. Mike Cartwright, BBC Look East, Peterborough.
Now, Milton Keynes has long been a pioneer of new technologies. In fact, right from its inception 50 years ago.